Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to explain you buyer's guide for iPhone 12. So if you are thinking of purchasing iPhone 12, in this video I am going to explain which model will be best for you and what are the features of each and every model, and also I will give you my opinion on which model you should buy and the following Apple's announcement that they are going to announce iPhone 13. So what are the expectations of the people, and should you upgrade right now or should you wait for them to release iPhone 13? So without further ado, let's move on with the video. Also, if you are new to my channel, I would suggest you to please like and subscribe to my channel and view my other videos, and also let me know what you like in my videos and what extra can I do and what kind of video should I make. It will help this channel a lot. So let me start the video by going through the walkthrough of official Apple website. So here you can see there are at least 4 models of iPhone. So one is iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So there are 4 models available as of now, and starting price in India is 70,000 rupees, but it can go up to 2 lakh rupees. So there's a lot of variation in this iPhone, and there are 4 models. So if you are a beginner or just want to purchase an iPhone, so you can go with the base model, which is iPhone 12 mini, which is 5.4 inches, and I'm going to give you overview of all the specifications and also give you the thoughts which model is good for you. So first of all, there you can see the design. It's exceptionally amazing, pure craftsmanship from Apple is known for creating extreme great quality of phones, and aesthetically they are amazing. So if you just hand an iPhone in your put your hand on it, you will see the difference. They are amazing. Their quality, their geometry is absolutely perfect. And now in this slide we are going to compare all the 4 models. So there is iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 SE and iPhone 11, which we will be excluding right now because this is beyond our comprehension of this video. So just focus on the 2 leftmost phones, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12. So let me give you the overview. So the screen size is different. So 12 Pro is 6.1 inch or 6.7 inch, 6.7 inch for the max version, and iPhone 12 will be 5.4 for mini and 6.1 for iPhone 12. Now they both support 5G, so they are both 5G compatible, but which bands do they support, it's a different question, so I will discuss in my later part of the video. Both comes with A14 Bionic chip, which is their Apple's processor, and they claim that it is the fastest chips in a smartphone, and somewhat they are true. But if we compare them to Android Snapdragon 888 series or another series, so there is a different story. And cameras are different in both variants. So in Pro, the camera will be ultra wide, wide and telephoto, and in 12 it will be advanced dual camera system, that is ultra wide and wide. So there will be some limitations, and LiDAR scanner. So you will not get the LiDAR scanner on iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12, but you will get the LiDAR scanner for night mode, portraits and next level augmented reality. So it is for future apps developers, and the full utility will be available when they launches new kind of app which utilizes its system. Now they are compatible with MagSafe accessories. So MagSafe is a new thing launched by Apple. So it's just like a magnetic strap which will be attached to your device, and it will be used for payment and other kind of stuff. So just like you can put your wallet and it will get stick to this, so also if you have a charger it will also stick with it. Now I'm going to talk about what are the ways to buy iPhone. So one is obviously offline market, go to the nearest Apple store and purchase from there, but you can also purchase from official website and you will get extra price money and value for money, and also you will get the authentic device. So there is no case of fraud if you purchase from that. Also you will get a lot of payment options, but apart from that, Two sites are also there, like Amazon and Flipkart in India, and also other sites. So you can go there and you could purchase your phone. Now let me talk about MagSafe. So it is like this. So it is a magnetic case, wallet, or both, and it also supports wireless charging. Apple also comes with AirTags. So if you ever lose your device, anything, so you just put Apple tag on it, and by the use of this app you can track your device. So even in case you dropped some of your device or some of your important stuff like wallet, your keychain, or some important thing, you can always get back. Also they have a lot of airflows, AirPods and AirPods Pro. So what does it mean? So wireless earphones supported by Apple. These are really nice, and you have to separately purchase them, because from Apple iPhone 12 you will not get inbuilt charger and earphones, so you will have to purchase them separately, and it's like not good for Apple because they are already charging so much for their iPhones, and even though spending that lot of money you will not get the charger and you will not get the earphones, so it's not right, because they must bundle it with them so that you can at least get the full experience of multimedia and charging, because many people are first time buyers of Apple devices and they will have to put their money to buy separate charger and separate earplugs, which are very expensive. Apple says that they are doing this because they want to protect the environment, they don't want to waste the environment, so it's like they are going green right now, but in the other way they are just cost cutting and they are just making profit. So this is something which I must tell you guys, because in my honest opinion, any iPhone or any phone manufacturer must include accessories which are required for the operation of the phone. Now talk about operating system. So iOS 14 is the dedicated operating system, and it is really nice because it comes only with the Apple, so you won't see it any other device. So Apple's own operating system is fine tuned with it, they have optimized it very well with their device, so it will utilize all the RAM and all the battery life, and it will give you exceptional quality experience, user experience. It's way better than the Android. So Apple also support privacy. So now let me just talk about each and every device and what are the features. So first of all, I'm going to talk about iPhone 12. So iPhone 12 is the base variant, and it is most common variant, and it looks exceptionally well. It comes with 5 colors. So as you can see on this screen, you can purchase any one which you like, it all up to your personal preference. Now what are the features? So it comes with A14 Bionic chip, which Apple claims is the fastest, and it has an edge-to-edge OLED display which will give you perfect blacks and deep edge contrast and great colors. Now it has ceramic shield with 4 times better drop performance. So basically if you drop your iPhone, it won't break right away because they have ceramic shield, and night mode on every camera. So if you are taking low light pictures, it will be really nice and you won't have to worry about its performance, because Apple has dedicated night performance mode which is quite good. But compared with Pixel device on other devices, there is a competition always, because Samsung has also very good in making night photography. Now it is 11% thinner, 15% smaller, and 16% lighter than the previous version. So yes, the design has been really improved, and as you can see there are two variants. One is 6.1 inch which is Super Retina XDR display, and another one is 5.4 inch which is same. Both supports OLED screen. So earlier 11 models, only Pro model supported OLED display, but now every iPhone 12 model will support OLED display, which is very nice. OLED stand for OLED Organic Light Emitting Diode. So I will talk about in my separate video the display technologies, because then we will have to talk about QLED, mini LED, micro LED, LED, like many stuff, and LCD. So it is not relevant here to discuss them, because since we are talking about iPhone. So iPhone mini is also good, 5.4 inch, and if you are just a beginner and just want a compact device, then iPhone 12 mini is very good. So it will come with 5.4 inch display, and if you compare with other screens, so it will give you an overview how it will look. So the biggest screen size is 6.7 inch iPhone 12 Max Pro, and the smallest screen size is 5.4 inch, which is iPhone 12 mini, and 4.7 inch LCD display is iPhone SE, which are not relevant right now because we are talking about iPhone 12, and I'm just giving you buyer's guide, so you have to make informed choices. Now ceramic shield is clearly tougher than any smartphone glass, so it's just like Gorilla display, and it will help you phone if you accidentally drops it, and it will not break your phone right away. And it has aerospace grade aluminum edges, so first time they are using aluminum edges like they used to do when they were having iPhone 5s, and after that they just changed their design, but now they have come back to the same design, which is really nice because I was always missing that one from Apple 6 models onwards, and now they have went back again, so it's really nice. Now it has H2OK, which is, they are very much water resistant and spill resistant, so you don't have to worry about if you accidentally drop your phone in a bucket or in your swimming pool, it just slide away from your hand, or also you just drop your coffee on it, it will be splash proof, so don't worry about that. Now 6 fresh finishes, so there are 6 kind of colors as you can see, and every color is unique. Now A14 Bionic chip is really nice, it will give you trillion operations, and it is the fastest chips in a smartphone, and it is the same chip as used in iPhone 12 Pro. So no matter what device you are using for iPhone 12, everyone supports A14 Bionic chip, and it supports neural engine, or it also supports Dolby Vision, and I will discuss when I discuss the camera performance. Now let's talk about display. So it has Super Retina XDR display, and it uses OLED panel. Now keep in mind that OLED panels are developed by LG Electronics and Samsung Electronics, so actually Apple borrows and purchases from Samsung to make their display, so actually Samsung makes their display, but nevertheless all the fine tuning and all the optimization are done by Apple themselves, so performance is always greater in this world. Now it is vastly more contrast, incredible color accuracy, and pixel density is also improved, and OLED delivers brighter brights, darker blacks, and higher resolution for everything that you look at it, and it also supports high dynamic range, and it also supports. Now let's talk about camera. So iPhone 12 will have 2 dual cameras, and they are really nice because it comes with wider camera which brings up 27% more light, so if you are shooting in daylight or moonlight you will get a lot of details, and you can see from this picture how accurate colors are, and it is also shot in low light condition, but the details are not lost, so you can see every details, and so the performance is really nice. And these are the samples for night modes, so as you can see there are a lot of good samples. So here are some of the more samples, and you don't need to discuss about that because you can see for yourself, and also you can, if you get your hands on for a sample device, you will get a better understanding of camera performance. But do keep in mind that camera performance depends on many external factors like the time of shooting, what are the conditions which are you are shooting the photos, so it's really nice. Now talking about video recording, so even in low lighting conditions you can take a lot of good videos, you can make good clips, and it will support really nice video quality, so highest quality video in the smartphone. So it is the first phone which supports Dolby Vision, so it is a standard in high dynamic range. So there are HDR 10 plus by Samsung, and Dolby Vision, which is used nowadays by every display manufacturer like Panasonic, Philips, LG, Sony. So if you are owning these kind of devices, then you can really enjoy your Dolby Vision recording, and you will see the difference. So Apple claims that they have the first camera ever to record in Dolby Vision. So it comes with very great features, and it supports smart HDR3, Dolby Vision recording and more, and also Deep Fusion. So it's just a gimmick term. Now MagSafe accessories. So just look at this picture and you will see that it will attach magnetically any wallet that you have. You can attach it with your phone and you can also make payments from that. Also you can charge it, so wirelessly charging is also possible. So it will just attach back to your device. So turbo chargeable. Now magnets align themselves perfectly every time for faster wireless charging, so you will get fast charging. And these are the magnets, so it's are pretty good. Now I have discussed in the video iPhone 12, and in the later part of this video, or perhaps I would make another video because this video has already been so long, so I'll have to make another video. But do let me know guys what you like in this video and what other improvements can I make. In my other video I will discuss iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for staying on my video, and I will see you